Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will show you the location of all the fuses and relays. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now there is a couple of fuse boxes on this vehicle. One will be in the passenger's cabin and a couple of them under the front hood. So the first fuse box is located just here on the side of the dashboard. Now to remove the cover you just have to pretty much pop it off. So you can use something like a flat screwdriver or anything similar. There's a couple of plastic tabs holding it in place. Okay. Not the easiest thing to remove, but it is what it is. Okay. And on the back side of this cover you will have a small fuse diagram as well. And here you have access to all of the fuses. Second fuse box will be located under the front hood in front of the battery right here. Now to remove this cover you have like a small black tab which you want to press and lift up, and here you will have access to all of the fuses. And on the back side of this cover again you have a small fuse diagram. Now this second fuse box under the front hood is actually hidden and it's just down here in this hole. So to access it, what you have to do, you'll have to remove this plastic air intake hose. Now this is actually clipped here. I tried to remove mine already, so you just have to get this clip off. And then you have to push it out here on this side as well. So just pull up and then you can completely remove this hose and get full access to the fuse box. Okay, so most likely you won't have to access this fuse box in any time, but it's just good to know there is one here. Now to remove that cover, same stuff, you'll have 4 black tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You just want to press them to unlock them and then leave this cover up. That's pretty much it. And now you have one more, a small relay box actually here on the passenger side. It's just here. So also same thing, you'll have 2 black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press onto both of them and just leave the cover up. But like I said, most of the fuses you'll have to check while you have this car will be either in this fuse box or the one inside the cabin. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.